This program, we started this project in the year 2014-15 with the help of the statewide Arboretum and Pheasants Forever and some local volunteers who donated some money and time. And what we created up here was a pollinator habitat, and we use it right now as our outdoor classroom. It's pretty much established. We have planted some newer trees, but for the most part, everything is now set in place for this to be an outdoor classroom that we use quite frequently throughout our school year. When we stumbled upon this area in about 2014, we stumbled upon it on accident, and the only thing growing up here was brome grass. There was some thistle growing and a few just trashy trees. So with the help of the grant and some hard work, we tilled up the area, and Pheasants Forever helped us with some native seed for the area. And as you can tell, the wildflowers have started to establish nicely. So what was once just total brome, now we have a nice variety. We do have some native grasses growing, as well as we have some nice pollinators for the bees and the butterflies and all that stuff that we're trying to keep around our area. Also, the trees that were up here were just the elm trees, so we have some nice oak trees happening up here, and we also have some serviceberry trees that we are growing back down one of the paths as well. What I'm trying to do here just overall is have the kids build a connection with their natural world, because if they don't have that understanding of what it's like here in Nebraska in our prairie ecosystem, why do they want to take care of it? Why are they, when they are older, going to want to create a garden of their own? Why are they going to want to go to nurseries and pull plants that are native to our area that will help maintain just the ecosystem that we live in? The main way we utilize our outdoor classroom is by giving kids an opportunity for unstructured play. It seems this day and age, our kids are scheduled from the time they wake up in the morning until the time they go to bed at night through school, scheduled activities, and extracurricular activities. We can provide kids an opportunity with a place where they can just come up here and be kids, play, push their physical boundaries, and it's on their time without a lot of guidance from me. I let them feel like they're taking risks without actually taking risks. They are up here getting dirty, they're getting their hands on the plants, they are observing things with just a natural curiosity that oftentimes as we get older we tend to lose. I also love the fact that we're getting them away from screen time, and they are up here just with the opportunity to be a kid.